In this video, I'll show you how to open Google Home. Step 1. Ensure your Google Home device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Step 3. Tap on your Google Home device in the app to open its settings. Step 4. If you want to open a specific feature or service, such as smart devices or routines, select that from the menu. Step 5. Use voice commands to open apps or functions by saying, "Hey Google, open," and then the app or the feature you want. For example, "Hey Google, open Spotify." Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired outcome with Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!